Hi, I'm Josh with Maine Recon. Today we're demoing our very own line of detailing products, the American Dream Series, where we're going to show you, start to finish, how to properly care for and detail your truck or car at home. So stay tuned as we share our best ways to do just that with your greatest investments, your transportation. Recreate that factory fresh feel in your tires and rims. For the toughest brake dust, grease, oils, road grime, rubber residue, and more. Remove metallic contaminants from paint, rims, and wheels.